Number 1. If I remember rightly. It means a phrase used to express that something is recalled correctly.
If I remember rightly, the meeting is tomorrow. If I remember rightly, the meeting is tomorrow. She lived next door if I remember rightly. She lived next door if I remember rightly. If I remember rightly, his name was John. If I remember rightly, his name was John.
Number 2. Remember someone's face. It means to recall or recognize someone's face.
I can always remember someone's face, but not names. I can always remember someone's face, but not names. She remembered his face from the party. She remembered his face from the party. Even after years, he remembered her face. Even after years, he remembered her face.
Number 3. Respect the law. It means to follow legal rules and regulations.
Citizens are expected to respect the law. Citizens are expected to respect the law. He always taught us to respect the law. He always taught us to respect the law. Respecting the law is essential for social order. Respecting the law is essential for social order.
Number 4. Return someone's love. It means to reciprocate feelings of love.
She sadly could not return his love. She sadly could not return his love. He hoped she would return his love one day. He hoped she would return his love one day. They were happy to find they returned each other's love. They were happy to find they returned each other's love.
Number 5. Price rises. It means an increase in the cost of goods or services.
The price rises every year for these products. The price rises every year for these products. Price rises can affect consumer buying habits. Price rises can affect consumer buying habits. He complained about the sudden price rises. He complained about the sudden price rises.